Good day, everyone. Ali Safi here from Safi Financial Network. Today is April 21st, 2024. Here is another analysis for gold and silver. In this video, I'm going to specifically focus on gold and silver because the last video I made for these ones, they were pretty good, actually. We need to come back again, see what was happening and what came to our analysis, and if there is a modification required or if we need to expect something changes in our analysis. Basically, we were kind of like a bullish the entire, I should say, since last year we were pretty bullish, and any correction. We told that it's going to be a good buying opportunity, specifically the last bull flag that we were mentioning about this. So this is a gold weekly chart, and as you see here, we had a fantastic reverse head and shoulder here, and this head and shoulder just broken up nicely to the upside. So this is kind of like a shoulder head, and this is another shoulder, and this is kind of like a neckline that we just point out here, and this neckline is broken up to the upside without any test. So right now I'm just expecting gold can have this parabolic back move back to this testing area. So we can go all the way down here to kind of like a 2133 even. That's going to be a bullish. Even if it goes to 2200, that's going to be bullish. So for ideal scenario, myself is going to be like looking at this demand area, but I'm kind of like a hesitant, even if this one goes down to here. So in a daily chart, potentially I'm going to show you some kind of like a correction move we can see for gold in next 2-3 weeks, even a month. But after that, we should see this rally is going to continue to the upside, and 2500 and even more, 2600 is coming down the road. Right now, it had fantastic move to the upside. All indicators actually are showing very, very kind of like overbought condition. And it doesn't mean that overbought is going to be a sell signal. It means that it needs to have some kind of like a rest or digestive move to the downside, then potentially rally again back to new all-time high, which I believe is coming. And I should say this corrective move can start anytime soon. Probably this week is going to be a start, or even next week. We can see some kind of like money is getting back to the stock market. And I believe that rally in the stock market is coming as well. As I said in my previous video, bounce is coming. So potentially we will get back to a bounce scenario in the stock market, and money is coming off from precious metals going back to the stock market. But that's going to be a great buying opportunity, if you ask me, for gold and silver. Moving on to daily chart, let me go to daily chart here. So this is a daily chart. And as you see here, we got kind of like a reversal signal from all indicators. However, we didn't get kind of like a confirmation price-wise, but I believe that this one is coming down as well to 2250. So that's going to be the level within this range. So 2250 within kind of like this trend line. And if this SMA 50 is coming as well, catch up with this. So that's going to be great area for gold. So we are going to just pay attention on this. If we see some kind of like a reversal, so that's going to be great buying opportunity here. So somewhere around 2200 to 2300, we should just keep an eye on this. I'm not going to be buyer at this environment. I have all my positions. I keep myself invested, actually, but I was looking for kind of like see any reversal right now in the chart, which is coming, and I believe that I'm gonna accumulate more in my stocks if there is any correction down the road. It's going to be same pattern within silver. If you just look at the silver chart as well, let me just go down to silver chart. So here is a silver weekly chart. And as you see here, we just had a fantastic breakout to the upside. Great move for silver. Still looking for above $30. So our target, our first target actually touched nicely $28 per ounce. But I believe that this one is kind of like a showing a kind of like a parabolic move, and we can see some kind of like correction is coming within silver as well. So the area that I'm looking at is $26 to $24. So this is going to be the area that I'm looking for silver as a good buying opportunity. If it goes down there, I believe that the next wave is coming, and it's going to be more stronger than the first one. And it can stretch up all the way to $32, which is going to be a fantastic scenario for silver as well. So keep an eye on these levels, because I believe that a market, again, is going to give us another buying opportunity. And if it gives us another buying opportunity, we should take it. So the rally is not over yet. Moving on to daily chart. This is a daily chart silver. And as you see here, um, we got kind of like a consolidation here. We got a bull reversal here, but I believe that this is going to be just the consolidation. And if we get kind of like a downtick move for silver, we can see all the way down to $25-ish area, which is going to be this previous breakout. And that's going to be kind of like the level that I'm looking for, $25. But even if it goes down to $24 dollar-ish, so that's going to be a good level as well. As long as we are above this demand area, I should say, this is kind of like a back test for a next rally to the upside. So this means we are still in a bullish momentum. As long as we are above this area, and as long as we are above $21, we are pretty bullish. Right now we are at 28, so it's going to be far away, but I believe that this is kind of like a $25-ish. That's going to be the level for a bottom for silver, and we can take it as a great buying opportunity. All right. So I think I covered everything. What do you think? Just let me know your comments down below in the chat box. I will answer all your comments as soon as I have time, and I will see that. All right. Have a fantastic evening. See you on the chart. Bye bye.